If you've been on a losing streak and you can't figure out how to stay confident in the market, you're gonna wanna see this video. I've been getting my ass whooped in the market and I wanna talk to y'all about it. Stay tuned for the intro, we gonna talk about it. Let's go.
Yeah, this is where I wanna be. Live my life like a vacation every night. I'm
You can be whatever you wanna be. You can do whatever you wanna do. All you gotta do is put the work in and sit back and watch your dreams come true. You can be whatever you wanna be. You can do whatever you wanna do. All you gotta do is put the work in and sit back and watch your dreams come true.
All right, guys, so obviously that first line was capped. I have not been getting my ass whooped in the market, but the reason I said that is because I've been there before. I have gotten my ass whooped plenty of times in the market, and I know that it's hard to stay confident when that's happening. So I've been trading for 6 years. I wanted to bring you guys my experience and really talk to you about this because I know that trading is not easy. Trading has made me depressed. Trading has made me run through my savings account. Trading has made me not want to do anything else outside of the market. Trading has put stress on my relationships. Trading has put stress on my friendships. Like, guys, we're gonna talk about this because a lot of your favorite mentors, they only want to show you big payouts and fast cars, exotic cars, big houses, monies, exotic vacations, but that's not all trading is. We all know that. If it was that easy, everybody would do it. So we're gonna talk about what really happens in the trenches when you really working and you really grinding, you trying to figure it out, you trying to get over that hump of break even or even get to break even. It's not easy. So how do you stay confident? How do I stay confident? It comes with experience. You got to go through these hard times. You got to feel that losing streak. You got to feel that pain. You got to feel that embarrassment from spiraling out and revenge trading or over leveraging. You got to feel all that. You got to feel that feeling when you feel worthless after losing a challenge. You got to feel all that, but it's all about the major comeback. You also got to think bigger picture. You got to think long term over short term. If you trust your work the way I trust my work, then you'll always be confident because, and it's not easy. I mean, it comes with time, but I have put that work in. I've studied so many hours back testing, live testing. I've studied under mentor. Like I said, I've been in this game for almost 6 years, so I know a few things about losses and I know what it takes to overcome that. But a lot of people, they don't. A lot of new traders don't. Like I said, a lot of people don't like to talk about the dark side of trading, what it can do to you, what it can do to your confidence as a person. And the thing is, you just gotta believe. Even when it's not working out, you gotta know that it's gonna work out. Like I told you in the last video, ain't no plan B. This is it. I always knew it. I always felt like that, even when I didn't know how I would get there. If I can take most of y'all and show you what your life is going to look like a year from now if you just don't quit, if you go through these choppy market cycles and just focus on the growth, what your life is going to look like. Where I'm at right now, I had no idea that I knew I would be here, but I didn't know how I was going to get here. At this time last year, I was still trying to figure it out. I didn't know how I was going to get here. And now look, it's just a result of the hard work you put in. You really got to trust your work. And the more you go through these bad experiences and bounce back from them, that's just giving you more stripes. It's giving you more reasons to be confident. You'll know that if you lose a challenge, it's not the end of the world. If you blow your account, it's not the end of the world. If you lose a trade, it's not the end of the world. If you have a losing week or a losing month, it's not the end of the world. You just got to know. You got to figure out why it's happening, figure out if it's you or if it's the market. A lot of people are beating themselves up because of high resistance market conditions. Just because you put the work in doesn't mean the market is going to be easy. It's not going to be tradable every single day. And that just comes with experience and your growth as a trader. Not to be greedy, not to want and need just to work so bad. I know we all want to be great. We all want to make money. We all want to do what we want to do on our terms. We want to live life how we want to live it. And that's just going to come with putting in that hard work, going through these trials and tribulations, learning from those experiences and growing. So when it comes to being confident, you just gotta know. You gotta know that it's gonna work. You can't doubt it. Even if it's not working at this moment, you just gotta know. A lot of people on the outside that don't trade, they not gonna get it. You can't expect them to. You know it's not easy, so you can't expect people who've never done that to relate to how you feel when you don't want to give up on this. Because people gonna tell you, oh, you need to have a plan B, oh, you need to do something else, oh, you need to whatever, but like they don't get it. But you do. You put the work in. You know what it takes. You've had good weeks, good days, good months, good quarters. You know what it takes. So if you're on a losing streak or you've had a bad day, you can't let that wreck you. You gotta embrace that and know that's gonna happen. I'm telling you, I lose trades. I have a losing week, I have a losing month, whatever. I mean, I haven't in a while, but hey, you're gonna get to that point too. And it's because of the growth that I've had as a trader. It's because of me cutting out those bad habits. If you know you got bad habits as a trader, because we all do, we're all human. Look, people be telling y'all like you shouldn't have emotions in the market. That's cap. You should have emotions. You should be fully aware of them and embrace them so that you can manage them. How you gonna manage something that you're not aware that's there? Like, you should have emotions. You're human. You can't just turn off your emotions. There are things you can do to make the psychology a little bit easier, as far as making more money in other places and just having extra sources of income, not needing trading. When you need this to work, when you need to make the money, it makes it that much harder for you. Another way that helps me stay confident is I focus on my plan. It's you versus you. You got to know yourself the best. You got to put a plan in place to protect yourself from yourself. You need to put a plan in place that when you start feeling that little tingly feeling that's about to trigger you, you can do something to direct your attention from that. And that's not going to be easy. I'm not going to lie. That is not easy to do. I've been through pretty much everything when it comes to trading. That's how I'm able to stay confident in the market. I really put in the work on my strategy. I 100% believe in my strategy. I know it's going to lose, but I know it's going to win more than it's going to lose. So I'm not blowing my risk management when I know that. Like, you just got to know this type of stuff. You got to be that confident. So I have a psychology call every week in my Discord, and these are some of the topics we talk about. And I encourage everybody to be completely vulnerable about their trading experience. And I'm always completely vulnerable about my trading experience, because I know that trading can be lonely. It gets very dark. Like I said, a lot of your favorite mentors don't want to talk about this part. The need to be great at trading can take over your life. And I've been there so many times. I've been at my lowest point with trading. Take some time off. If you need to take time off the charts, take some time off, get your mind right, do some things that you like. You can't just let trading take over your life. That's one thing I learned in my 6 years of trading. You can't let trading just consume your life. You have to separate it from your life. Like, yes, our life, but if we have a bad day in the market, we can't let it fuck up our whole day. You know what I'm saying? You got to still do things you like. Don't let trading have you so depressed to the point where you're not even doing the basic stuff that make you you. The more and more you stick to your plan and you stay focused, bigger picture, long term over short term, and stay confident. That's all I got for this video. Till the next one, I'm out. If you're looking to grow with a team full of smart money traders, click the link in my bio where I host 2 live classes every single week. I give you access to all of my trading resources, and I call the market live every single day that I trade. I walk the members in my Discord through every single trade that I take before, during, and after it happens, so that they know exactly why that trade won or why it didn't win. Click the link in my bio, and I'll see you soon.